We asked our participants how easy is it to use the poo collection kit. They told us the kit has everything you need. The instructions are really clear and explain how to use it. It's got all the steps and information. I had no problems using the kit and it was simple to post back. It's easier to use than the kit I've had from the NHS. The collection part flushes away. It's cleaner than I thought it would be. If you have questions about providing a poo sample, please call us on free phone 0800 252 853.